Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here to tell you about my experience of Beyond Van Gogh. I highly recommend it. If it comes near you, go see it. It is worth the money, worth the experience. I'm 49 years old and my breath was taken. I was overwhelmed. The wow factor's there. It was just awesome to put yourself in it, see all his paintings going around you, and they had scents going with certain paintings. Like we smelled vanilla, we smelled lilac, I smelled paint, I also smelled paint thinner. It was just so awesome. I'm so glad I purchased the tickets and I took Diamond and Allie because I'm so glad I experienced it with my girls. I kind of wish we took Riley, but I don't know if she would have enjoyed it. I'm hoping it comes around again sometime when Riley's a little older and I'll go back and take Riley. But Scott asked me what I wanted for Christmas and I told him some money to spend at the gift shop afterwards. I was hoping to find a Van Gogh book of the exhibit or a biography, but they didn't have any. So the closest thing I could come up with is they did have postcards. So I thought I'd share the postcards and show you what else I bought. So, and I'll tell you what the postcards are. So this one is Vincent van Gogh, Calf Terrace, at Night, 1888. And there's Beyond Van Gogh. And this is what it looks like. And then this one, and this is the first thing we saw. When you first walk in, it's a little biography. And go to my playlist. The videos are there. And if you're Facebook friends with me, I have the pictures that we took. And I'm going to see if Diamond can make me like a slideshow of all the pictures I took, and I'll add that to the playlist, because when you first walk in, it's his history and picture frames. It's just so cool. But then you get into the other part, and it's all his paintings, and you're immense in it. It's all the way around you, and then you start smelling scents. But this, we walked in, and this is the first one we saw. It was Almond Blossoms, 1890. And it was just going on the screens around us, and you could smell lilacs and vanilla. And at first, I couldn't smell it. And I wear vanilla. And I sprayed some on, so I thought the girls were smelling me. And then I got further in, and I'm like, oh, yeah, I can smell it now. It was just so cool. So there's this one. This is one of my favorites. And this one is called The Sunflowers, 1889. The Bedroom, in 1889. The White House, or the Yellow House, I'm sorry, 1888. This one is Bowl of Pinions and Roses, 1886. Excuse me. This one is The Sunflowers, 1888. This looks so cool when it was big. You see that in my videos. And then Iris's, 1890. And then we have his self-portrait. Self-portrait with gray felt hat, 1887. Incredible painting. This is Self-Portrait with Straw Hat, 1887. So this is, let's see, same year, 1887. And then Self-Portrait in Front of Easel, 1888. So this is a year later. And then my favorite, one of my favorites of his, is The Starry Night, 1889. So them are the postcards I picked up. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. I mean, I literally died and looked over and I had tears coming down my cheeks at one time. And then I also picked up a lithograph of Starry Night. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? They had posters. I went with this direction instead. I'm leaving it in a plastic because I'm going to pick up me some frames. I'm going to be hanging these in my house. So I got that. And then I got Starry Night over the ROM also. So I thought those would look cool hanging like that together. So that's that one. I want to take them out of the plastic right now until I can put them in the frames. But I wanted to show you guys. That gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And then I learned something. Hang on. Where is it? Right back here. This one. The Calf Terrence at Night, 1888. See the back right here? This is also the Starry Night. It's another form of the Starry Night, except this is the cafe with the Starry Night in the back. I never realized that. So he did different, like, scenes in different sceneries. So that was something I learned. That was kind of cool. I read that. And then, the last thing I picked up was Beyond Van Gogh, the immersive experience. It's just beautiful. Like words can't describe. I got myself this. The Starry Night Christmas Ornament. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't tell you what this meant for me to go to this. Like I said, it's beyond words. It's beyond. You have to go experience. I am so glad I did it. And I could have sat there. We sat for about an hour and 45, and then I could feel vertigo coming on because it's constantly moving. Even with the motion picture, motion pill I took, I didn't help. Allie was getting it too. So, but we were there an hour and a half, immersed ourselves in the world of Van Gogh, and enjoyed it thoroughly. And I'm so happy that I took the girls. And so if it comes near you, go see it, because it's easy for me to describe. Go check out my playlist, because I did a lot of videos. And watch videos, and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about. And I'll have my video playlist linked in the description so you guys can go check it out. But if it comes near you, go see it. I was blown away. It's the best way. It was so awesome. It was a wow factor. Diamond said you could hear me keep going, oh my God, oh my God. You know, I was like, I sat on a bench and just let it go around me, and I would turn and look at the floor, because it was on the floor. It was on all the way around you. It was just, oh, so beautiful. Beautiful. So I'm really glad we went. I'm so glad. The only downfall is I wanted a book. But I found one on the internet. I'm going to go purchase it after Christmas. So, but I at least got postcards, and I got some of his prints. And I got an ornament, which is going to be left out all year long. It's going to hang in my craft room. These I haven't, once they get in frames, I told Scott, I said, I don't know where I'll hang them, but I'm going to hang them so they can be not in my craft room. I was thinking I have the spot already picked out, so in my hallway. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. It is December 23rd. My day will be busy today. I have to go to the grocery store, get the groceries for Christmas Eve dinner. But what a wonderful experience, a wonderful Christmas present I gave to my girls, Diamond and Allie. Like, someday I hope it comes around and take Riley. I told Diamond when we were there, maybe we should have took Allie, or Riley. She was 5, and maybe she would have enjoyed it too, but you didn't know. But as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas. and bye for now.